Here I have already opened up Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 and the document on which we are going to work. You can use any code editor software. This is a pure HTML page. Just I have created for this tutorial. I have different tags, say head tag, body tag, P tag, strong tag, UL tag, ally tag, again strong tag, P tag, and so on. So now let me first preview up this document for you. Our document looks like this now. Now let's create an external style sheet to learn CSS selectors. File, new, let me have CSS document. Let me save it up. Save with the name of style.css. And let me attach this file to my document. Say link rel style sheet type is equal to text hours CSS href it's style.css. See, now our CSS file is attached to this document. Now let's begin to learn selectors. First we have universal selector, the very common selector, that is star. Margin 0 pixels. Let's save up this much. Let's reload our document. See, all the default margin has been removed from our document. So what star rule does is, it is applied to all the tags in our document. For an example, let me have another CSS rule for it. Say color. I want this red. Now let's save up. Let's reload. See, the text of our whole document has been converted in red color. This was just an example. Let me just remove this red color. Let's save up. Let's refresh. Now, let's discuss another type of selector, which is adjacent selector. See, H1 plus H2 plus H3. I say color red. Let's save up. Let's reload. See what it has done. H3 tag has been converted in red color. What if I say it plus H4? Let's save up. Let's reload. Now the fourth one, H4 tag, has been changed to red color. So vice versa, let me have it H5 plus H6. Let's reload. See, the sixth tag H6 has been changed to red color. Now we will learn Descendant selector. Now what it will do is, it will be applied to strong tag inside P tag, that is to the child element with the name of strong inside P tag. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the strong tag has been changed to green color. Or let me also apply another CSS rule to make it more visible. Say font size, I have is large. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the font size has been also changed for this strong tag inside P. Now let's have another example for this descendant selector. Say UL LI last child. Let me again font color to be green and font size to be large. Let's save up this much and let's reload. See, this has been now applied to all the elements which are last child inside UL tag. See, this last element everywhere, wherever we have this UL li tag, it has been affected with this CSS tool. Now, let's come to pseudo-selectors. Say P column first dash line. See, this pseudo class is always specified with this column sign. Likewise, the same we apply in anchor tags. Say font weight, I want this bold. Font size, I want this 1.2 em. Now let's save up. What this class will do is, it will be applied to first line in every paragraph. Let's reload. See now, we have our first line of every paragraph is bold and the font size has been applied as 1.2 em. Or let me give another CSS tool to make it more visible. Say, I apply text decoration to be underlined. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, now we have underline also in every first line of paragraph. Now, let's have another example for this pseudo selector. Say font size, I want is 2em. Say font family, I want is Comic Sans. Font weight, I want is bold. Now what this selector will do is, it will be applied to every first letter in our paragraph. Let's save up and let's reload. See, the first letter of our every paragraph is having that selector recently which we have created. Font family is Comic Sans, font size is 2em, font weight is bold. Now let's come to another selector for the same pseudo selector. Say P double column selection. Say background, I want this purple. Let's save up, let's reload and see what happens. See, wherever we are having direct P tag, this selector is applied to that element. The background color we have is purple. This green text is not affected as it is inside strong tag. Now let's discuss another type of selector. What if I want to apply the same to each and every element? When I select them, I want background color to be purple. So let's have rule for it. Just double column and selection. Again, let me have background to be purple. Let's save up. Let's reload. See now, each and every tag, whichever I select, has purple colored background. Now let's discuss another selector in the pseudo selector. Say Li Nth-child. What this type of selector will do is, it will be applied to all the li items which are on the second number in list. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the every second item of list has been changed to red color. Now let's discuss another selector type. Let me just copy and paste this selector again. Just let me add last. Now what it will do is, it will be applied to every second last element in the list. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the every last second element has been changed to red color. I can also make it say 5. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the 5th element in this list has been changed to red color. Now let's discuss another selector type. So UL nth of type third. I want to have border 5 pixel, solid, black. Now what this selector will do is, as we have so many UL tags in our HTML document, it will be applied to only third UL tag. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, the third UL tag, unordered list, has been applied this selector. We have border of 5 pixels. And let's have another selector type. Let me just copy it and paste it up. Last of type. Now it will count from the last. Last third will be applied this. Let's save up and let's reload. See, the last third is this now. 1, 2 and 3. So this border has been applied to the last third UL tag. Now let's have another CSS selector. UL LI column and child odd. Color, I want this now, say dark blue. Let's save up. Let's reload. See, now every odd li item has been converted to dark blue color text. Let's have another CSS selector. Just copy it, paste it again. Instead of odd, let me have even Now let me have the color to be brown. Let's save up. Let's reload. See now, every even item has been converted to brown color. So this was all about selectors in CSS. And if you want to learn these subjects directly from me, do contact me. Do not forget to subscribe me. Have a good day.